guys, I'm here today down in Bronson, Florida, and what we have right now is a 2016 Power Stroke King Reg, and Jess is the owner, and what we're going to do is we're going to show you how the new 900 fuel injector port is going to rip these injectors out of there. They're challenging, the truck's got a few miles on it, it's a 16, but this thing with the new AirStrike and our new 900 Air Hammer, you're going to see that take place. So Jess and I are going to work on it this afternoon, so stay tuned and take a look at what we're going to show you, how we can help you get not only injectors out, but those stuck ones that are really a problem. What Jesse's done is connected the air hose, and we have a regulator on this, allows us to vary the amount of flow we have, still maintain 90 pounds or PSI line pressure, but depending on how much force we want to apply to it, will allow us to adjust that either higher or lower depending upon the application. So let's go ahead and try. There you go, real simple. Okay, so you can see how much fuel you have on it and how nasty the injector looks. Then you can see that our little compression seal is still down there in the head. Now, instead of using a punch to pull the injectors out like we did before, he's going to go ahead and punch up to our new adapter that is on the top, up under the chassis. So number 3 and number 4 and number 7 and number 8 typically is done this way. So we're going to give it a try. Ready? Yep. Keep going. Keep going. She's out. So see, Jesse went underneath the wheel well, was able to get underneath the adapter, which we have set up for both, as I said, number 3 and number 4, 7 and 8. In the event you can't get to it with the AirStrike Air Hammer, but you can see it came right out nicely. Nice job, Jess.